How to remove thuglife game from Facebook account? First of all, you must go to your Facebook setting, and just you must click in setting and privacy, like that, and you come to settings. After that, below you can see instant games. Click over there and you will find whatever game you are playing. You can click over there which game you want to remove, like thuglife. Click over there and click the remove button, and also delete your game history on Facebook. Click over there and click the remove button, and done. This is how you can delete from Facebook your thuglife game account. Thank you.